Hi guys, great to see you again. Now that we've revised our knowledge of number and colours, it's time to use that knowledge for a search around the house. We're going to do a colour search, and your job will be today to classify those objects that you find into colours and into how many you found, or berapa, how many. So this is the sheet that you'll be working with today, and this is going to be attached to the Edmodo post for today's lesson. It says objects in my house, bendi di rumah saya. Your job is to classify objects from around the house by counting and determining the colour in Bahasa Indonesian. I'm going to show you now, in a minute, how to model the writing of this. The objects we're going to be looking for around the house are bola, which is ball, topi, which are hats, pena, which are pens, buku, which are books, and buah-buahan, which is fruit. So you're going to be doing a search and find as many of those things as you can in only 5 minutes. So what you're going to need to do in a minute is grab yourself a timer and pop 5 minutes on your timer. Okay, only 5 minutes to find as many of each of those objects. So only 5 minutes for all of those objects, not for each of them, for all of them. Okay, and once you've done that, we're then going to classify them. Are you ready? Get your timer ready. On your marks, get set, go. Whoa! Wow, I finished my search already. Oh, I've got a lot of stuff here. So now it's time. There's my fruit bowl and my pens and my buku. Now it's time for us to classify them and count them. So on your sheet, I'm going to start with balls because it's at the top of my sheet. Bola. Now, I struggled to find many balls in my search because they were scattered all over the yard, and in my 5 minutes I did not find enough time. So I only found satu, dua, tiga balls during my search. So my job now is to write that number, tiga, in the berapa, in the how many. So here in this part, I'm going to write tiga, and then we put the word bola. So we write the number and then the object. So tiga bola. Okay, I found 3 balls, tiga bola. Now I need to write the colours. I have 1 orange ball, jingga, 1 red ball, merah, and I have 1 ball that is ungu dan kuning, purple and yellow. So in the section where it says warna apa, what colour, I'm going to write those. So the first one is jingga, the next one is merah, and the next colour is a combined colour of ungu dan kuning. There we go. So I have said that there are tiga bola, and the colours of my balls are jingga, merah, and ungu dan kuning. Cool. Now I'm going to move on to my buku. The buku. I've got a very big pile of books here. Let's count them. Will you count with me? Okay, great. Satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima, enam, tujuh, delapan, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is 15. So I have 15 different books there that I got during my colour search. So in the section for buku, where it says berapa, how many, I write 15 buku, 15 books, 15 buku. Here we go. 15 buku. Bagus. Now my job is to classify them by the colours. So I'm looking at the top of my pile right now, and I can see I've got 2 books that are purple. What was the word for purple in Indonesian? ungu. So the first colour I'll write in the Warna upper section is ungu. Ungu. The next book I'm looking at is looking actually like it's a dark blue. A dark blue. Can you remember what word we used when we said we change a colour to dark? Tua, that's right. So to write dark blue, I write biru tua. Okay, and the next book that I'm coming to is, it's got a bit of green and a bit of yellow. So I would actually say this is maybe a yellow and green book. So I'm going to write kuning dan hijau. Okay, so there you can see I've classified some of the colours of the books and written how many. Now it's your job to classify all the objects you found in your 5 minutes of searching. Okay, so you're classifying how many there were, so the number, and then you're classifying the colours. So what are the different colours? So for example, my hats, I had one grey hat and satu dua tiga empat black hats. Okay, so I would have hitam dan abu-abu as my hat classifying colours. Okay, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. Make sure you post your work in a private message on Edmodo. Good luck, guys. Sampai jumpa.